और ब्रेक के बाद स्वागत है आपका। महेश, सचदेव का कहना है कि चीन सीमा पर शांति नहीं चाहता, इसलिए वो अस्थिर स्थिति बनाए रखना चाहता है।
It's not my intention to preempt or predispose what Honorable Raksha Mantri might say. I'm sure we'll all learn a lot from him about the official version of the event. But contextually I could say that this is a very different kind of incident than Galwan. Galwan, there was strategic friction involved. There was contestation on the border about the disputed line of actual control. Here there is no such thing. The lines have been settled for long, and indeed it's very surprising given the weather that this has happened in winter. I think the only way to interpret it, in my opinion, is that after the party congress in Beijing a couple of months ago, new dispensation is flexing its muscles. They want to show that they are as much of wolf warriors as their predecessors were. Secondly, while a lot has happened in Ladakh sector, Arunachal sector has remained a bit quiet. So Chinese side may like to ensure that the disputation about that sector is revived.
वहीं रक्षा विशेषज्ञ ए.के. पटनायक का इस मसले पर क्या कुछ कहना है, आइए आपको सुनाते हैं।
ये जो अरुणाचल का इशू है वो काफ़ी पुराना है, 100 साल से ज़्यादा पुराना है। 1914 का शिमला एग्रीमेंट, द ड्राइंग ऑफ मैकमोर लाइन, सो डिस्प्यूट इज लॉन्ग. But coming to the current situation, 2020 Galwan incident of June, and even in this particular location, Yangtze River, where the clash is taking place last Friday, a similar situation happened last year October. Okay. The border is not clearly defined on ground. It is very difficult for soldiers on ground to exactly demarcate it. Depends on the perception of the commander, local commander, which can include a battalion commander, a company commander, and similarly on the other side. After Galwan incident of 2020, there has been a massive build-up on the other side, and it's a permanent presence of the Chinese troops, unlike the previous decades, where the Chinese would have nominal presence on the borders. So these clashes are taking place for that region. So what has happened, as you would have come to know, has quickly dissipated. It means it has been managed very well. There have been commanders meeting at the borders, and troops were disembarked immediately after the.
तो तवांग झड़प पर संसद में राजा